Finding the right supplier is the most important step in importing from China.
Last year, our team helped clients avoid over $200,000 in potential losses by catching unverified suppliers early. A verified supplier means fewer quality issues, reliable shipping, and real peace of mind for your business.
Let's look at Alibaba's verification badges. Gold supplier means they've paid for membership. Trade assurance offers payment protection.
The verified supplier badge is the most important. It means Alibaba has physically checked their factory. We always start with verified suppliers. It filters out about 70% of unreliable options immediately.
1688.com is Alibaba's domestic Chinese platform.
You can find prices 15 to 30% lower here because you're dealing directly with factories.
But here's the catch: the site is entirely in Chinese.
You'll need translation tools or a local agent like us to navigate it effectively and communicate with suppliers.
Always check their business license first. Make sure the company name matches everywhere.
Look for real factory photos, not stock images.
Transaction history tells a real story.
Look for consistent orders over time, not just one big spike. Read the negative reviews carefully, they often reveal patterns. A supplier with 95% positive feedback over 100 transactions is usually more reliable than one with 100% over just 5 transactions.
Good communication is key. Request a video call or factory tour. Ask specific questions: what's your lead time for 1,000 units, or can you show me your quality control process? Suppliers who avoid video or give vague answers often have something to hide. We do this on every new supplier check. Never skip ordering samples. It costs about $50 to $200 but can save thousands. Test the sample thoroughly, measure dimensions, check materials, test functionality.
One client almost ordered 10,000 phone cases before we found the samples were 2 millimeters thinner than specified.
Always test before you invest.
Watch for these red flags: inconsistent company information across platforms, stock factory photos, prices that seem too good to be true, or slow response times.
If a supplier pressures you to pay quickly or avoid standard procedures, walk away. We've seen these patterns in 80% of problematic suppliers. For complex orders or high-value items, consider professional verification.
Our team visits factories, checks certifications, and verifies production capacity. It costs about $300 to $500 per factory visit but provides certainty. Last month, we found 3 out of 10 verified suppliers weren't actually operating the factories they claimed.